First of all, go to the file and choose new. Select this custom document, press create. Now go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this samosa PNG image, click place. Now hold the alt button and decrease the image size like this. Click enter. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Select the main layer. Press Ctrl T for transform option. Enable the reference point. Move this reference point to the bottom. Now right click and choose flip vertical. Then right click and choose warp. Modify it like this. Press enter. Click on the add layer mask option. Now take the gradient tool. Select the basic black and white gradient. Now apply the gradient on the mask layer like this. Select the layer. Go to the filter, blur and choose Gaussian blur. Here set the blur radius to 2 pixels. Press OK. Take a new layer. Take the brush tool. Change the foreground color to black. Decrease the brush hardness to 0%. Let's create the shadow like this. Let's see the final result.